Welcome to Kettle Labs How To series. Today, we'll demonstrate how to create custom chatbot using RAG with GenAI. Let's get started. Retrieval-Augmented Generation enables instant answers to complex questions by leveraging your document repository. The RAG framework combines document retrieval and large language models to generate precise and natural language answers from your knowledge base. Let's check this simple flow to understand how a chatbot with RAG works. Document ingestion involves collecting valuable documents like PDF, reports, and manuals containing company knowledge. The enterprise knowledge base serves as a central repository, storing all company documents in their original form. Preprocessed documents cleans and divides documents into smaller, manageable chunks for easier processing. The embedding model acts as a translator, converting text into numerical vectors for computer understanding. Document embeddings represent documents numerically, like unique digital fingerprints. User query is where someone asks a question about topics like policies or product specs. Chatbot web app is the interface where users interact with system. The vector DB stores data intelligently, matching questions with relevant document pieces. Embedded query converts users' question into a numerical format. The LLM serves as the AI brain, generating human-like responses from the retrieved information. Stream text response delivers natural language answers to users. In this demonstration, we use the Cohere large language model. The main integrated components are a document retrieval system, the FAISS database, and an answer generation mechanism. Now, we'll compile the code. Our document-based chatbot interface is now up and running. Let's ask it a document-specific question that is not generic. As you can see, the bot provides an accurate answer. Now let's ask an unrelated question. Notice that the bot does not provide an answer, which is expected since its behavior is designed to mimic the documents. RAG excels in delivering accurate, context-specific answers, making it ideal for applications like enterprise chatbots, customer support, legal or compliance assistance, education, and healthcare. Leveraging domain-specific knowledge bases, it provides scalable, real-time responses tailored to critical needs, ensuring factual correctness and precision. Stay tuned for more tutorials on GenAI. Thank you for watching.